Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications to see all of my future videos. Welcome back to my nail channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily marble with gel polish. I'm going to first start by applying my Vena long coffin jelly tips. Here, I'm just applying the liquid builder gel onto my already prepped natural nail. After the liquid builder gel has been applied, I'm going to do a full 1-minute cure under the UV LED lamp. Here are the long coffin jelly tips that I am using. I'm going to start by picking out the size for each of my nails. Here's the size for my thumbnail. Normally you would want to file the inside of the nail tip to make sure that your manicure lasts. I'm going to apply the liquid builder gel into the inside of the jelly tip, and then place the jelly tip at my cuticle area of my thumbnail. Then gently push the nail tip down until the builder gel reaches the free edge of my natural nail. I'm going to hold that into place and carefully cure for 1 minute. I'm going to repeat the same step for all of my other nails. After all of the nails are fully cured, I'm going to take my Vena portable e-file and a small cuticle drill bit. I'm going to be filing around my cuticle, so I am using a speed of about 5,000 RPMs. As you can see here, there is a little ledge between the nail and the cuticle area, so the purpose of this step is to smooth that down and prevent any ledge within my manicure. You can also do this step with a hand file if you would like. Here's what the nails look like after I fixed all of the cuticle areas. As you can see, it's much smoother. I decided I did not want my nails to be super long for this manicure, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut down some of that length. After the length of the nails have been cut down, I'm going to take a 180 grit hand file and gently shape the tip of the nail. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same step on all of my other nails. Once the nails are shaped, I'm going to take a buffer and buff over the surface of the nail tip. This is going to allow the gel polish to adhere and prevent it from peeling off. Here's what the nails look like after they have all been filed and buffed. I am then going to take Dip Bond, which is number 1, and apply this to all of the nails. This is going to further prep the nail and make my manicure last a little bit longer. Here are the 3 gel polishes that I'm going to be using. I am also going to be using a small piece of plastic to marble the gel. You can use whatever kind of plastic that you can find, even a small Ziploc bag. The purpose of this is to marble the gel polishes. I'm going to start by taking the super white gel polish and apply a thin layer to all of my nails. I'm going to apply a thin layer of this white gel polish over all of the nails. I'm doing this step to give my nails a good base layer for the marble design. If you're doing different colors, you may want to change out the white gel polish for the main color of your marble design. You can also use this white gel polish as your base to make other colors stand out. I really love this white gel polish. It's super pigmented, and if you're doing a design over top of it, you only need one layer of this gel polish as your base. If you get any gel polish on your skin like I did, you want to take a small brush dipped in acetone or fingernail polish remover and remove the gel polish from your skin before you cure your nails. After the cuticles have been cleaned, I'm going to do a full 1-minute cure under the UV LED lamp. After the nails are cured, I'm going to take the color 788 and I'm going to apply random spots all over the nail. You do want the gel polish to be kind of raised up, so you don't want to be painting this gel polish design onto your nail. I'm then going to take the super white gel polish and add spots of this as well. Even though the base of my nails is white, I'm still going to be adding some of this color to make sure that the gel marble does not fully cover up any white spots. Then I'm taking the color 746, which is a beautiful red shade, and I'm going to apply this onto the nail as well. It's perfectly fine if the gel polish runs onto your skin. You will be cleaning this up after you marble your nail. If you get any colors on the nail brush, you want to wipe it away before inserting it back into the bottle. Then crumbling up the plastic to make rigid edges, I'm going to gently tap that plastic onto the nail. You do not want to over marble your nails. If you do, you're basically just mixing out the colors, which will not give you a beautiful marble effect. In between nails, it may be best to wipe away the excess gel polish on that piece of plastic, just to avoid any colors that you don't want in specific areas. Before you cure your nails, you want to take a small brush dipped in acetone and remove all of the gel polish from your skin. Once the excess gel is removed, I'm going to do a full cure under the lamp. I'm going to repeat the same marble design on the other 3 nails. Even though you are applying rather thick bubbles of gel color, you want to make sure not to over apply the gel polish onto your nail. If you apply too thick of gel polish onto your nail, it's not going to cure properly. So make sure as you're marbling your nail that you're not leaving any thick spots of color on your nail. After the nails have been fully cured, I decided to add a matte gel top coat to finish off this design. You can use any type of top coat that you would like, but personally for this type of design, I really love the nails to be matte. After the nails are fully cured, here's how they look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to leave a comment down below of what you think. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!